Hello everyone, my name is Singh and welcome back to my channel Lakshya English Blog. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you a story which is based on a school story, but is not. It is fictional. This story is written by E.V. Lucas. So I hope you all are well. I am also fine. Today I am going to tell you a story, and the story name is A Different Kind of School. So it is written by E.V. Lucas. So let's get started. If you are an English learner, so you also had to listen some stories and try to translate it in Hindi. So that you can know I am good in translation of English and I can understand it, and after that you can after that you can know how to speak English. So let's get started. In the story, here's a visitor, which is our narrator, who visits Miss Beam's school because he had heard a lot about it, that their teaching methods are very different from the other schools. So he thought that there are more facilities. So he reached that school. When he reached that school, so he saw a girl which is blindfolded and she has bandage. She was around 12 years and she was held by a boy which is helping him, and he was around 4 years younger or 8 years. So they are walking, and the boy helping that girl. When they are going, they stop, and the narrators thought, they think that they are telling who was coming, and the girl was asking who was coming, and the boy explained her that a man is come in our school, but they are not speaking anything, and after 2 minutes they go across the road, and when the narrator visited Miss Beam office, he saw Miss Beam, which is kindly fat. Kindly fat means that a person is stout or plump or pleasantly fat, not too much fat and not too much skinny. They are at the middle. So the narrator was still thinking there was no insight. Insight means to be seen. There was no insight, but then suddenly this happened. So he was thinking about that when he saw Miss Beam. So Miss Beam know that a man is coming in our school. So when he go near to the Miss Beam, and then he asks, hello Miss Beam, I am E.V. Lucas. I want to know your teaching methods. So after that she explains that we don't teach a student more things. We just let them know that multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, fraction, and all reading, writing skills. There is not too much, but the main goal of this school is to teach thoughtfulness and kindness. Not to become them thoughtful. They have to become a thoughtfulness and kindness person, so that they help the needy in their society. So Miss Beam say the narrator that please go and look outside the window what you see. So the narrators visited the window, and he saw a park. He tell the Miss Beam that there are many children playing, but it hurts me something that they are not like. So it hurt me that here's a girl which is misfortune. Misfortune means something unfortunate condition, and she has a misery to walk, and she is sitting on a chair, sitting on a chair, and she saw that everyone is playing, but I am sitting there because I am misfortune, I am lame. So, and there are 5-6 people more. So he say that. So Miss Beam laugh and say him that, oh no, that's not we want to talk you. So the narrator shocked that IC is not real. Is they so he asked Miss Beam, yeah, are they misfortune or not? So then she told him, this is our very important instruction of the school to teach children. They are the future of our country, our nation. So we must teach them kindness and thoughtfulness, so that they can help the needy in society. So that such trainings help them to make a good citizen. Miss Beam said, here's another example. So Miss Beam took him in the park and said a girl was there. So he said, here's coming someone to visit our school. So that she said, if you want to walk with me, so if you want to walk me, so walk me, so you have to do a thing. So narrator asked, what? So she said, you have to tell everything which is happening around me. So they are walking, and the little girl asked, what you can see, please tell me. So he said, here's a girl which has wearing a red shirt. So the girl said, I think that's Millie. What is the color of her hair? So the narrator said, it's brown. So he said, yeah, that's Millie. She is the head girl of our school. Then the narrator said, here's another one. A old man who is plucking up the rose. So the girl said, that's Peter, he's 100 of years old, he is very old. And he also said that Miss Beam is walking, and also a girl with curly hairs. So he said, that's Millie's friend, that's Millie. So that's Millie also, why are you saying this again? So he said, okay, so here's a stone and just keep it out. Then after walking here and there, the narrator said bye to the girl, and he reaches Miss Beam and said, I am going there. And he thought in his mind that when I was coming in this school, I was not more thoughtful, but when I am when it's time to go there, I feel I am very thoughtful now. So he said, I am sad to go from here. Then Miss Beam said that, so is there? So yeah, there is something in my functions, in my instruction of my school. So here is the story, and this is a amazing story of E.V. Lucas. E.V. Lucas is a poet. He is a poet, and also he do he do more things that they can do, that like they can write a poem also. E.V. Lucas, he also make abridged and simplified. Abridged and simplified means very small and can understandable stories he loved to make. So this is all about. So guys, I hope you learn something about from this story. I know this is a fictional story, but we can also learn a lot things with this. The video, and if you are new in our channel, so then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.